morning friends, myself Dr. Ashish Panchal from Trisa Institute of Biology. In last video, we already discussed the differentiation, dedifferentiation and the redifferentiation. Now, in this video, we will discuss the development in the plant. Now, what is development? So, development means it's a term that includes the whole process from seed germination to senescence. Means it's a term that includes all changes that an organism goes through during its life cycle. From seed germination to senescence. Okay? Means the development, it's include all the process. Start from the seed germination to senescence. Senescence means it's a death phase. Okay? Look at here in this figure. We all know that initially the apical meristems possess the meristematic cell. This meristematic cell shows the plasmatic growth. Plasmatic growth means increase the size of the cell. Means that cytoplasmic growth. Okay, cell get elongated. After elongation, it undergoing the differentiation. After differentiation, the cell get matured, and this matured cell forming the tissue to tissue system, organ and organ system. Then after, the cell undergoing the senescence, and at the end it leads to death. So from meristematic cell to death, this whole event, it's called the development. In plant, the different pathway is responsible for regarding the environmental and the phase of the life. The different structure are formed. Means in plant, the different structure, different morphological structure are formed with respect to different environmental condition as well as the different phases of the life. That process or that ability of the plant is known as the plasticity. So what is plasticity? Plasticity means it's a ability of the plant to develop the different structure with respect to different environmental condition. That is called the plasticity. For an example, the heterophylly condition is found in cotton, coriander and the larkspur. In these three plants, the juvenile leaf means the leaf present at the time of the birth. Suppose the shape of the leaf is like this. So in the mature leaf, the shape of the leaf is something different like this. Okay, so that is called the heterophylly condition. Means the different lifespan, the structure of the leaf is different. That is called the heterophylly, and that process is called the plasticity. This example is related to lifespan. Now, with respect to their environmental condition, for an example, in other hand, the leaves, shape of the leaves in buttercup plant different in terrestrial environment and ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem means the leaf shape of the buttercup is different in terrestrial environment as well as in the aquatic ecosystem. For example, suppose in terrestrial environment the shape of the leaf is like this, then in the aquatic environment the shape of the leaf is like this. Clear? Okay, so the above example, that is with respect to phases of the life in juvenile phase and the adult phase. The second example is environmental condition like terrestrial environment and the aquatic ecosystem. So that different structure are formed with respect to different environmental condition and different phases of the life. That process is known as the plasticity. That is known as the plasticity. We all know that development, it is the sum of growth and the differentiation. And both growth and the differentiation means the development is regulated by the various intrinsic and extrinsic factor. In condition of growth, we already discussed the extrinsic factor like water, temperature, light, oxygen and mineral nutritional. Now in next video, we will discuss the intrinsic factor. And intrinsic factor, they possess the various plant growth regulators like auxins, gibberellin, cytokinin, then abscisic acid and the ethylene. So in next video, we will discuss the plant growth regulator. Thank you.